Hello, I'm Dave, and on this video I'll be drawing Boba Fett. So I started this out with just like an oval shape towards the top of the page, then a couple of straight lines down connected on the side of that oval, and then some inward lines just underneath that. Then I drew like a rectangle shape just on the side of the head, and then a couple of lines upward, and then just like a little shape up top for like the antenna. So now I'm working on the neck and then the chest, and I'm just doing just a couple of straight lines down under the head, and then that straight line just underneath that, and then you can see some a rounded line just under the neck. And now that I'm working on his right arm here, and that's like a right shoulder pad. Just a little bit under that is the arm itself. Doing a couple of lines here, a little bit rounded. Now the chest, and drawing that line just out, and then like a half an oval just right below that chest line. So now on the left arm, I'm doing another shoulder pad, rounding out that chest pad just a little bit. Now back to the face, a couple of straight lines up, but not all the way to the top, and then just connecting that upper part of the vision, the part where he sees through. And now on the cheek, on the side of the face, just a little bit of that inward armor. And all this I'm sketching first, and then I'm gonna use a paint marker to color it in. Not color it in, but to outline it. And you could do that with a pen, a marker, a paint marker, just whatever you want. But these are all just kind of rough lines that I'm doing with the pencil. So now with the actual paint marker, I'm just coming in here and then establishing my lines. And in some places I'm going to correct it where I want, but for the most part I'm going to follow the lines that I did initially. I'm going to add a little bit extra on there, and you're going to see some more detail. So right there on the top of the antenna, I just added that extra piece. I made this part right here on the helmet round out just a little bit more. And now still continuing on the helmet, just wanted a straight line down there. And just connecting these lines. So now on the helmet, I just wanted to add some more lines there. And these are like scratches, like battle scars on the helmet. So you could tell it's old. Onto the neck, adding a couple of lines there, just like some wrinkle in the fabric that's covering his neck. And then again, a couple of lines, some action lines here. And some lines again. They're like action lines, and also kind of just like wrinkles in the fabric. So here on the chest, a little bit more scratches, scrapes, and then little gadgets on there. But in the center right here, I didn't draw this out with a pencil, but I just drew this right now. You just want to put that right in the middle, and it kind of connects that chest pad. Now on the right side, there's some more scratches. Now that right shoulder, and we're almost done. Just getting this right there. Some good action lines now onto the shoulder pad. And again, some more like action, like scratches, some movement on the armor. Same for the arm, a little bit of fabric lines, and then also just some like scratches. And now onto that little like missile thing over his shoulder. Getting a couple lines on there and just going over the lines we did. There we go. And here he is, Boba Fett. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.